How to view and download documents. Your portal keeps documents organized, notifies you of new uploads, and makes viewing or downloading files quick and easy. Any files you upload are stored in the Docs tab, inside the Client Uploaded Documents folder. All files uploaded by your accountant or tax preparer are stored in the Firm Docs Shared with Client folder. For quick access, you can find your own uploads in the My Uploads tab, while all documents shared by your firm are available in the Shared with Me tab. When a new firm-prepared document is available, you'll receive a notification by email. You can view the document directly from the email notification or by going to the Docs page in your portal. Newly uploaded documents appear at the top of the list in the Recent tab and are marked with a badge for easy identification. To view a document, simply click on it. You can download the document from the preview screen or by using the three-dot menu in the Documents list. To download documents in bulk, select the files from the list. You'll then see the download icon appear at the top of the folders.